howdy. Hey, how you doing? If you guys are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But if you guys are returning, thank you. I appreciate that. Like, seriously, thank you for coming back. It means the world to me. I have been just trying to do my best to get these videos in as much as possible. Today's video will be about Walmart Beauty Box. If you guys have no idea what that is, it is only $5 for shipping, and it is seasonal. Yeah, seasonal. You're wondering why my makeup looks like this? It's because I was playing with makeup before this. Other than that, let's get right to that. So, we got the Walmart box for this month. I believe this is the winter box. If it's not the winter box, then it's the spring box. We will see. Let's see. Let's get this thing open. If I can get it open. Oh, I got it open. So, yeah, this is a seasonal box. So far from all the boxes that I have received so far, I've received probably like 2 or 3 so far. I have loved every single one of them that has came in. I did see a few people who've gotten their Walmart boxes this month already. They have been kind of unhappy. Last time I got a Walmart box from them was a few months back, but I ended up getting a palette. I ended up giving that away to a family member for the holidays. Excuse me. But yeah, let's get right to it. We are going to open this Walmart box and let's see what we got. Alright, so in this Walmart box it says, here to self-care and skincare. To an inner and outer glow, here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. Alright, so we got these little, so yeah, this is most definitely the winter one because it says Winter Wonders right here. So, it says enter to win $100 gift card. Like it, love it, tell us what you think about your Walmart Beauty Box in a brief survey. So, there's a website right there if you guys are interested in doing that survey, if you guys do receive it. We have a coupon here introducing Bright Boost Restoring Brightness and a Kickstart Tired Dull Skin. This is for the Neutrogena. I personally don't care for Neutrogena. But I know there are probably other people out there, but this is like kind of like a coupon for people. There's another one on the other side for removes 99% of makeup, 100% anywhere you go. This is what it looks like. This is the Neutrogena side. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, I know I'm not. Also says here, NYX Professional Makeup. Rock it, mix it, own it. So, for our first item, we will be getting out the Aveeno Instituto Español since 1903. Everyone keeps calling this Aveeno or Avena or whatever. It's Avena, which means oatmeal in Spanish. But in here it means Aveeno Instituto Español, so everything is in Spanish here. Solución hidratante, propiedades calmantes, iluminantes y hidrantes sobre la piel. Okay, so it says it's good for your skin. It doesn't irritate. It's good with hydration. Let's see, ingredients here. It just have alcohol, so I probably wouldn't even use it. Certain like moisturizers and lotions just don't work for me, especially because when I got my burned hand, like right here, I burnt my hand with oil, so you can still see like some white parts of my hands at times. This was a few years back when I did it. And I can't seem to find the perfect lotion for my hands to get that moisture in. But, I'll try the Aveeno. Let's see. I can feel the moisture. It's kind of like a little bit like on a water-based side. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It smells really good. Most definitely does smell good. But, will it work for me? I don't know. My skin soaks up lotion like nothing. Next product. We have Degree Motionless Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White. This is a travel size 1 ounce, 28 grams, 40-hour antiperspirant. I can't pronounce certain English words sometimes, so don't mind me. But this is what it looks like. This is exactly what it looks like. I personally wouldn't use this. I'll probably give it to someone else. I do not like Degree. Nor do I like Dove products. I don't like any of those products. Something about them that just throws me off. So I personally probably wouldn't even use this either. I would use the Aveeno. So next thing is here is a small little package of Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette. And it's a single one. As you see there, it is a single one. So, I don't know. I probably won't even use this either. I hate makeup wipes. I can't stand them. They dry up my skin and I can't afford it. My skin already gets dry as it is. It does have a combination depending on the weather. But during the winter holidays, it's the worst for my skin. It gets so dried, so I have to keep up with my skincare routine during the winter especially. But yeah, I probably wouldn't use this personally. I'd probably give it to someone else because I don't like how they feel on my skin. Next product. Color Club. Nail Liqueur. This is the color. It's Complicated. That's what it's called. It's Complicated. This is kind of like what the color looks like. I don't know if I would use it. Honestly, I don't. If I don't, I'll probably end up putting it in one of my boxes for a giveaway in the future. I'm trying to collect some stuff to put things into my giveaway box. So this will probably be one of them. I'm not sure exactly yet. We will see. I will let you guys know if I do. And last but not least, in the Walmart box will be the NYX Professional Makeup Crew. Looks like this. It says 2-piece set. So, okay, so it's the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Would I use it? I don't know. I don't know. This, I might not even keep this either. Honestly. I'm not a fan of lip glosses. Especially colored lip glosses. Can't seem to get the sticker off of this thing. But, yeah, I can't even open it. Can't open it, Mom. I just can't. It's a real struggle. Kind of opened it backwards. But, yeah, I'm not a fan of lip glosses, like I said. I'm surprised I'm wearing the one I'm wearing right now, but I was just playing around with it. So this one, the first one is Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. Says it's metallic, so this is what it looks like. How metallic? I don't know. I don't know. You tell me. But that is what it kind of looks like. I'm not going to even try to swap it or whatever because I'm not interested in it. The other one is also Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one is in the shade, there's no shades, or am I that blind that I cannot see? Seriously, I have no idea. I guess it's just lip cream. Yeah, because this one says metallic cream, and then this one just matte cream and cream label, rosetto and crema. I'm assuming those are the colors. I don't know. I can't really. It is what it is. But yeah, that's it for this video. That was all the products that they sent here. I am most definitely putting this in the box because I have absolutely no interest in wearing this at all. So this will be going into the giveaway box. I will let you guys know when I decide to do it. So here are all the products. Let me see. The Neutrogena, the Aveeno, and the Color Glow. Se jodió. Sorry, I didn't mean to curse in Spanish. But that's all of it. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate you guys watching this video. But yeah, this is my Walmart box. I will leave the link down below. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, opinions, whatever, leave your comments down below. Yeah. So have a good day. Thank you for joining me. Appreciate you coming by. Like I said, if you're new, subscribe if you want to, you know. Turn on the notifications, and it will let you know when I will be uploading again. Talk to you guys later. Take care. God bless. Bye.